everybody, here I am again, working on this Goodyear bike. I'm gonna try something new. See, this tire has just been flat. Sat on that spot for a while and got deflated. I don't know what happened, but I'm gonna see if I can put it in hot water and maybe soften it up and get it reshaped. But it does have a crack right there. But here, let's go look, see what I can do. Take it over to the sink. About the only thing I know is to put it in here and try and soak it. Maybe, hopefully it'll warm up and be more pliable, and I might be able to reshape it. I don't think it's going to hold air the same, but we'll see. Yeah, isn't this exciting, watching water flow? I was just worried that maybe it was going to get water inside the tire because of that crack, but maybe not. If so, let's take the tire off. And maybe we have another one around here somewhere. Shame though, it's original. We'll let that soak a while and see what happens. And then in the meantime, go back over here.